As the co-commander has already told you, and the IGP was also alluding to it, we were getting a lot of intelligence from the JKP as well as from the locals about the movement and the way this gentleman has been ill-treating the locals there, generally in the area of Tral Bol. And for the last 15 days, there were about 3 reports of his sexual misconduct with a few ladies also of that area, generally in the upper reaches of Dachigam forest. And finally, through the human source of the JKP, we were very clear as to where we can localize him. We are also very familiar with his modus operandi because all my boys have been often, facing this character in Pulwama, especially. So on the basis of all the background intelligence and the modus operandi of Saifullah, whom generally we call Lambu, we were able to home on to this cluster of Dhok in the higher reaches, and this happened on 27th. As you all are aware, 27th onwards the weather was extremely bad. It has been raining heavily all throughout right till this morning. So the boys deliberately took a very, very circuitous route so that we can totally take a route that can surprise the terrorists. And today morning they had closed on to the area where we were suspecting him to be there. So no sooner have we reached there, the dogs have started barking. I'm sure that these guys would have got alerted. They came out, and before they could come out, they asked the ladies to move out, and thereafter 4 very, very small children. And as soon as these children and ladies have been pushed out, behind them they opened automatic fire. They started lobbing grenades. The idea was that while we will try to save the children and the ladies, they'll try to make good their escape. This has been
89 टेररिस्ट मारे गए हैं अभी तक में, लेकिन अगर लास्ट ईयर से कंपेयर करते हैं तो नंबर थोड़ा कम है, लेकिन कमांडर्स देखें, टॉप कमांडर तो लास्ट ईयर से बहुत ज़्यादा मारा गया है।
देखिए, जो आज तक पिछले 3 साल 2017, 18, 19 के अंदर हम एक टाइम था जब बताते थे कि तकरीबन 400, 450 टेररिस्ट इस वक्त जम्मू एंड कश्मीर या कश्मीर के इलाके में हैं। 2020 के अंदर ये नंबर तकरीबन 300 के आसपास आने लगा है। आज की तारीख में डीजीपी साहब ने खुद बताया है 200-225 के आसपास ये नंबर है। तो कई लोग पूछते हैं ये नंबर कब कम होगा। ये नंबर धीरे धीरे कम होता जा रहा है। रही बात जो आपका ये सवाल था कि इस साल कितने इंट्रूडर्स आए हैं, कितने इन्फिल्ट्रेशन हुए हैं, आज तक हमारी जानकारी के हिसाब से कोई इन्फिल्ट्रेशन नहीं हुआ है। इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है कि 1-2 सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं। हमने कई ऑपरेशन लॉन्च करे हैं, ऑपरेशन चल रहे हैं इस चीज़ को नकारने के लिए, चेक करने के लिए, पकड़ने के लिए। मगर जो ग्राउंड इनपुट्स है, इस तरफ जो वैली की इनपुट है, उसके हिसाब से एससी की तरफ से 15 कोर जोन के अंदर कोई भी इंट्रूजन या इन्फिल्ट्रेशन अभी तक सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ है। अगर कोई हमारे पास कंफर्मेशन होगा तो हम आपको बताएंगे।